Hi, this is Mrs. Girija, Department of Mathematics. This session is for class 7, subject Mathematics, topic conversions of metric measures. Learning outcomes are conversion of units, converting a larger unit of length to a smaller unit. How do you measure the weight of vegetables? This is the instruments you have seen in the shop to measure vegetables. Okay, 500 gram, 1 kg, 100 gram likewise. So the base unit of weight is gram. In addition to that, how do you measure the length of pencil? You may use your scale or this tape. Okay, so the base unit of length is meter. And also you know that the basic unit of volume or capacity. You have seen milkman measured milk in liters or milliliters. Yes? Okay. The basic unit of volume or capacity is liter. The metric system, also called the SI system, is a system of measurement used almost all over the world. Conversions within metric measures are easy. A unit can be converted to a smaller or a larger unit by multiplying or dividing it by a power of 10. Here is the table. Metric number prefix are given in that. Okay. The bigger units are to the left of base unit and the smaller units are to the right of base unit. What is the base unit here? I have just taught you some of the base unit. Let the base unit be liter, meter or gram. Okay. Now, kilo, hecto, deca are the larger unit than base unit. Deci, centi, milli are smaller unit than base unit. If you want to convert to the smaller unit from the base unit, you have to multiply by 10 for each step. If you want to convert to the bigger unit from the base unit or from the smaller unit, you have to divide by 10 for each step. Okay, this is very simple. Now, once again, which are the larger unit than base unit? Kilo, hecto, deca. And smaller units than base unit are deci, centi, milli. Converting larger unit to a smaller unit. To convert from a larger to a smaller metric unit, multiply the number by a power of 10. Let us have some examples. Let us take it a base unit as length. What is the base unit of length? Meter. The first example is convert the given length to centimeter. Okay. Here the question is 42.05 meter. Here they have given in meter. We have to convert it to centimeter. Which is greater? Meter is greater than centimeter. Okay. In the chart, how many steps we have to move to centimeter from meter? On moving first step, we reached only decimeter. Okay. For each step, you have to multiply by 10. If you are converting larger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply by 10 for each step. Okay. Now we have moved to decimeter. We have multiplied by 10. Then another step we have to move to reach centimeter. So on moving next step, again you have to multiply by 10. Now 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Let us see the solution for this sum. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now we are going to convert meter to centimeter. 42.05 meter equal to 42.05 into 100 centimeter. We have replaced this meter to centimeter by multiplying by 100. On multiplying 100 with 42.05, you have to move the decimal place to the right side for multiplication. On moving so, we get 4205 centimeter. Let us see another example. 65.745 meter. Here also we have to convert to centimeter. As I have taught you already, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to change this meter to centimeter. On doing so, you have to multiply by 100. This 65.745 should be multiplied by 100 and the meter is changed to centimeter. On multiplying by 100, we get 6574.5 centimeter. Express each sum in its lowest given unit. First one is 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter. Here, which unit is the lowest? Centimeter. As I have taught you already, centimeter lies to the right side of base unit. So that is lowest unit. So how many steps we have to move from meter to centimeter? 2 steps. So you have to multiply by 10 into 10. On doing so, we get 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to convert meter to centimeter. Here they are in different units, so we cannot add the number, and also they asked us to convert to lowest unit. So now the solution of the sum. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We are going to convert meter to centimeter. How to convert? By multiplying by 100. So 0.4 is multiplied by 100 to convert to centimeter. On multiplying we get 40 centimeter. Already there is 53 centimeter. Okay, now both the numbers are in same unit. We can add them. And adding we get 93 centimeter. Now therefore the answer is 93 centimeter. Second sum. 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter. Here there are 3 units given. Which is the lowest unit? Millimeter. Which is the bigger one? Meter. From meter, how many steps we have to move to millimeter? 3 steps. 3 steps we have to move. So for each step we have to multiply by 10. Therefore, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Next, From centimeter to millimeter, how many steps we have to move? Only one step. Therefore, you have to multiply by 10. So, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. The solution for the sum: 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter. For centimeter, you have to multiply by 10 to convert it to millimeter. In the place of meter, you have to multiply by 1000 to convert it into millimeter. On doing so, we get 34 into 10 millimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 into 1000 millimeter. 34 into 10, 340. Here it is in millimeter itself, so no need to change. Here on multiplying by 1000, we get 500 millimeter. Every numbers having same units, so add all of them, and adding we get 858 millimeter. The answer for this sum is 858 millimeter. Express as meters. 3.5 kilometer. We have to convert 3.5 kilometer to meter. Kilometer is the bigger unit. So, we have to convert kilometer to meter. Meter is the smaller unit. To convert from larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply by 10. You know very well that. Now, how many steps we move? According to the chart, we have to move 3 steps from kilometer to meter. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 3.5 kilometer is the question. We have to multiply by 1000 to convert kilometer to meter. On multiplying by 1000, we have to move the decimal place to the right side. We get 3500 meter. Therefore, the answer is 3500 meter. How many bricks of length of 30 centimeter each are needed to border a circular flower bed of circumference 3.6 meter is the question. They have given length of brick as 30 centimeter and the circumference of circular flower bed is 3.6 meter. Now we have to find number of bricks needed for the circumference to border it. Okay, let us see the solution. Flower bed is and circumference is 3.6 meter. What they have given? Length of brick equal to 30 centimeter and circumference of a flower bed is 3.6 meter. Here length is in centimeter, circumference is in meter. We have to convert meter to centimeter in the question. Okay. Now we have to find number of bricks needed. To find number of bricks needed to border, the formula is circumference divided by length of bricks. You know very well. Okay. Now we have to substitute the circumference value 3.6 by 30. We have to convert meter to centimeter. Then only we can do the operation, arithmetic operation. Because they are in different unit, we cannot do any arithmetic operation with them. Now, to convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. On multiplying by 100, we get 360 by 30. And cancelling zeros, we get 36 by 3. On dividing 36 by 3, answer is 12. Therefore, the number of bricks needed is 12. If 6 pieces of equal length are cut off from a wire 8.7 meter long, what is the length in centimeter of each piece? In this question, they have given the length of the wire 8.7 meter long. Okay, then the lengthy wire should be cut into 6 pieces of equal length, and after cutting they are asking the measurement of each piece. Let us see the solution. Given length of wire equal to 8.7 meter, number of pieces cut off equal to 6. The arithmetic operation we are going to use here is division. They have given in meter, we have to convert it into centimeter. We know very well that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Length of each piece of wire equal to 8.7 meter by 6. Now convert meter to centimeter. We have to multiply by 100. 8.7 into 100 centimeter by 6. We get 870 by 6. On dividing 870 by 6, the answer is 145 centimeter. So, length of each piece is 145 centimeter. Thank you.